Hi class, this video is going to be on solving a system of linear equations using the substitution technique that we learned in section 3.2. So the question we're going to be looking at is negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 6 and 6x minus 13y is equal to negative 12. Now we said that the first step in solving one of these problems is to solve one of the equations for one of its variables. In this case, it looks like this y is the smart decision to make as for the variable that I'm going to solve for, because it's the only variable that does not have a coefficient. So to do that, I'm going to start by just rewriting my equation. And since I'm solving for y, I'm going to add 2x to both sides, which will give me y is equal to 2x minus 6. So now I have written this equation as y equals. So now I'm going to plug this in for that y. So again, just so that I can keep track with where I'm at, I'm going to start this by just rewriting the question of interest, which is the second one. So I'm going to rewrite 6x minus 13y is equal to negative 12. Plugging in the y, I'm going to get 6x minus 13 times 2x minus 6 is equal to negative 12. Distributing the 13 gives me 6x minus 13 times 2 is 26 times x, and negative 13 times negative 6 is positive 78, and this is equal to negative 12. Next, I'm going to combine my x terms, and that gives me 6x minus 26x is 20x, negative 20x. And then I still have the plus 78, and this is equal to negative 12. Then I'm going to subtract 78 from both sides, giving me that negative 20x is equal to negative 90. Divide both sides by negative 20. And this gives me that x is equal to positive 9/2. Now that I have an x, I need a y. So I'm going to come back to this equation that I wrote down, which was the first equation solved for y, and I'm going to plug my x into that y. So in order to do that, I am going to, again, just write down my equation so that I don't get lost with what's happening. So that's y equals 2x minus 6. I'm just rewriting it so I know where I'm at. And I'm going to stick this x right into there. So that gives me that y is equal to 2 times 9/2 minus 6. The 2's cancel, leaving me with just y is equal to 9 minus 6, which is 3. So my final solution to this system of linear equations is 9/2, which is x, comma 3, which is y. And I'm done.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.